all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Vondessa J. I am Vondessa J, and today guys we are doing something else for Valentine's. So on this guys, we will be making a dinner for two and also doing the table and plating our food and putting everything together. So I'm going to show you from step 1 all the way to step 3, 1, 2, and 3 of how to do this. So I have already shown you the ingredients. So now with this chicken breast, guys, I was trying to think out of the box and I think I scored. So I decided to pick up some chicken breast and I'm going to score this and, well, basically cut it down the middle, but make sure that it's attached on the other end. And you're going to see why. I am going to take your basic cookie cutter or heart shape and we're going to make some chicken breast shaped like a heart for our dinner. Yes. So also in this video, I'm going to show you what I use so often for chicken ribs. It's my own sauce. Yes. So this sauce, guys, if you have never ever tried it, just wait. Make sure you slow it down, pause it, whatever you want to do to pick up these ingredients. But no, your girl does not measure. I'm the Southern Belle. I don't measure. So don't ever ask me for a recipe. Well, how many tablespoons, how many cups? I don't know. I don't cook like that. So I'm an old school. I cook like my grandmother used to cook. So when I get to that, to get ready to, you can marinate the meat also in this same sauce, but you can directly cook with the sauce. It is absolutely fantastic. It's a winner, and I'm telling you, I have high blood pressure. I can use and do this sauce, and it does not affect me at all. So it is blood pressure friendly. Yes, just mind how much you add, because like I said, I don't do measurements. No, I don't. So I am definitely, if you can see now how I am cutting these chicken breasts, I am cutting them directly down the middle from the side, but I am not opening them all the way up. So this is exactly what you want to do by cooking this chicken. Well, I won't say really cooking the chicken, doing this in a heart shape. So this is why I'm trying to get this out a little bit early. The cookie cutter that I use is plastic. I'm gonna tell you now, the plastic did do well, but to use a metal one, it would do fantastic. The only thing you have to do is put a little bit of pressure on it and it will cut through the chicken breast. So if I would have known that a little bit earlier, I would have just done it with a metal cookie cutter, but I didn't. So now what you want to do, y'all, wash your chicken. Let me tell you, wash your chicken, because you don't know who's been handling that chicken before you. So I have some salt water here in my all Clyde bowl. So I am going to wash this chicken. I'm going to make sure this chicken is rub-a-dub-dub, scrub. No, girlfriend is what you call a clean cook, okay? Okay, so if you want my ingredients for my marinade or whatever, this is your time. So this is all of the items that you would need. And because I'm grilling, yes, I am gonna add my oil inside my sauce. Make sure you stir very, very well. Now it is time for us to cut out our hearts for our chicken. So of course you see I'm using a plastic heart shape cookie cutter. This is my first time. All of them did not come out well, but I did have a few that came out pretty darn good. I know, you're asking, why are you re-cooking Heat and Eat rice? because I like to judge my food up, guys.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain?